Let's take a look at the day's business now, where sending money between bank accounts and mobile money platforms will attract charges from next month. The central bank says it is reintroducing the charges that were waived nearly 3 years ago at the height of COVID-19 as a relief to Kenyans affected by coronavirus disruptions.
Peak of the COVID pandemic, the Central Bank of Kenya waived charges on various digital money transactions to facilitate a transition towards cashless transactions, as handling of cash was deemed to spread the virus. Since then, the central bank says monthly value of person-to-person transactions have increased from 234 billion shillings to 399 billion shillings respectively. The monthly value of transactions between payment service providers and banks to that effect increased from 157 billion shillings to 800 billion shillings. The central bank is ending the waiver period, but promises that new charges, which will be lower than the initial charges before the pandemic, will be effected from January. The revised maximum charges for transfers from bank accounts to mobile money wallets will be reduced by up to 61%, and mobile money wallets to bank accounts by up to 47%. The CBK will also use its pricing principles as the guiding framework for setting tariffs and charges for mobile money services, paying keen attention to affordability. Tariffs for pay bills that are used to collect and disburse funds by businesses, companies and institutions, such as schools and utilities, will also be reduced by on average 50% of the pre-COVID charges. The CBK has also announced charges levied by banks for bank-to-mobile money transactions, which will be reduced by on average 45%. Hibak Said for Lunchtime News.